Hi everyone, it's Neil and welcome to the family room, and I want to show you something here. I got the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. So this is the new one, this is the Max one. So basically, I'm going to tell you it does the same exact thing as the previous one, but at least for me, whatever I use it for. But the one thing I notice is that this thing here is way faster in doing stuff. Like when you're sitting there doing the other one, every time it's trying to like even just starting up or switching apps or anything like that, it's slow. But now it's so much faster. So if you've used them before, you can just watch here in the background. I don't know if you can see there, I have a TV on. Can I zoom in on it? No, I can't zoom, so oh well. But you can see like when I do something, if I choose Netflix, like when I would do it on my other one, it would take a little while for it to start, but now it just starts up really quick right away. What other apps do I have on there? If I go back to home, I mean, Hulu, I haven't even loaded yet, so I mean, it's gonna load, but it loads, everything loads so much faster than it used to on the old one. So I really like it, especially if you have a fast internet. Like, look, it's already ready to go. And you know, just everything I do is just way faster. So I would say, and I put a little a cover on it. Actually, I'll show how that is on my next video. But yeah, so you can see things just load fast and good, and it's better. So if you have the Fire Stick 4K already, get the 4K Max. I mean, and right now they're on sale, but sometimes I guess they're not, but whatever, it's totally worth it for me to get the speed versus having to sit there and wait for things to load like usual. And this TV even has the Fire TV stuff built into it, and that is so slow compared to this. So I would say I just use the Fire Stick, even though it has Fire TV built in, just because it's quicker. So, but that's it. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.